All right, so to become less emotional and manage your feelings more effectively, consider these strategies, okay? Number 1, identify your triggers. Reflect on situations that provoke strong emotions. Understanding your triggers can help you prepare and respond more calmly, okay? Number 2, practice mindfulness. Basically engage in mindfulness or meditation to increase your awareness of emotions without becoming overwhelmed by them. Like, prayer. Prayer helps me a lot. Number 3, develop emotional regulation skills. So basically, learn techniques such as deep breathing or counting to 10 before reacting. I'm telling you, it's simple, but this can help you pause and think before responding, okay? Number 4, focus on problem solving. When faced with an emotional situation, shift your focus towards finding practical solutions rather than dwelling on feelings, okay? Number 5, journal your thoughts. Write about your emotions, okay? This can help you clarify and process the feelings more rationally, okay? Number 6, limit exposure to stressors. If certain people or environments heighten your emotions, consider setting boundaries to protect your well-being. Okay, this is something I should have done a long time ago. Number 7, seek support. Talk to trusted friends or a therapist about your feelings. But you could also read the Bible. You don't want to pay for anything. You don't want to let anyone know you're going through it. Talk to God. You want to talk to God? Pray. You want Him to talk to you? Read the Bible. If you haven't tried it yet, try it before judging it. It'll change your perspective. Number 8, engage in physical activity. Regular exercise reduces stress, improves mood, and leads to a better emotional balance. By implementing these strategies, you can learn to manage your emotions more effectively.